So, you're thinking about diving into the world of crypto and you've heard about the Coinbase card. It sounds pretty cool, right? Spend crypto, earn rewards, and it's a Visa card, so you can use it almost anywhere. But there's one burning question: how long does it actually take to get your hands on this shiny new piece of plastic? Let's break it down. First things first, the Coinbase card isn't just handed out to anyone. There's a bit of a vetting process involved. Coinbase wants to make sure you're legit and that you're actually going to use the card responsibly. This means they'll need to verify your identity, which involves providing some personal information and documentation. Think of it like opening a regular bank account, but with a crypto twist. Now, how long does this verification process take? Well, it depends. Coinbase aims to process applications as quickly as possible, but there are a few factors that can influence the timeline. If you've got a squeaky clean financial history and you provide all the necessary documents up front, you might be looking at a relatively short wait time. But if there are any hiccups in the verification process, like missing information or discrepancies in your documents, it could take longer. Let's talk about what happens after you've been verified. Once Coinbase gives you the green light, you'll be able to start using the virtual version of the card instantly. It's like magic. You can use it for online purchases and in-app payments right away. However, if you want the physical card to flash around in stores, you'll have to wait a bit longer. Coinbase usually estimates that the physical card will arrive within 2 to 3 weeks of your application being approved. But wait, there's more. Even if you get the green light and your physical card arrives, you might still encounter some delays. Shipping times can vary depending on where you live. If you're in a remote area, it might take a bit longer for the card to reach you. And let's not forget about those pesky postal services. Sometimes, packages get lost or delayed in transit. So, to sum it up, the time it takes to get your Coinbase card can vary quite a bit. It depends on how quickly you can verify your identity, how long it takes for the card to be shipped, and even a bit of luck. It's frustrating, we know, but it's important to be patient. In the meantime, you can still enjoy the benefits of the virtual card and get a feel for how the Coinbase card works. And hey, maybe by the time your physical card arrives, you'll be a crypto pro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.